James Beard Award, you know it's going to be good.
Green chili stew.
I like that. Canela is in your shoe. Don't eat my
And it all
food.
started when Cecilia Miller decided to share her family recipes with the masses back in 1992. And now
We're not gonna have to glue the minifigures, right?
carrying the torch.
My mother passed away in
We're not gonna have to glue the
Thank
minifigures?
you. As a family, we just decided that we were going to continue
That's why we
to
got the
keep it
animals.
going.
Huh?
Had
That's
no
why we got the
idea
animals.
that her
Oh, so we're not gonna use
was
the
gonna have
minifigures?
appeal to a wide
Se van a caer.
array of people.
Oh,
Not
okay.
represented enough. What are we
Well,
making?
Red
first,
chili beef,
never
taco.
have
We're making
the.
fried bread?
Heck yeah, that's
Look.
what the native taco comes on.
Ah, I like the alpha. Oh.
Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. A warm pillow of dough.
Let's see this.
All right, flour.
Look, Bobby. Everyone's trying to hide. Cause look,
Mix for about 10 minutes. Add the milk and water.
everyone hide. The T-Rex is coming.
And then force in your mouth.
The way you're fixing it seals it cold and tight.
That's right. And let it sit for
What's next,
5,
puppy?
10 minutes,
Oh,
and
what's
then
next?
stir
The
fry.
stripes.
Okay.
So we got some pinto beans
The
here.
animals,
We're
no?
going to soak overnight.
Gotcha.
Then we put them in.
No, wait.
boiling water
Actually,
with
I think we
salt,
should do the
a little bit of
stripes
grease.
first. Cause when we're doing the stripes, it's gonna cover.
Okay.
We're gonna mash it.
Yep.
Okay.
So we're going to make
So
the
we're gonna
chili
need the
beef.
red
Got some
meat.
vegetable oil, beef,
Don't
shoulder,
spell
and
it.
dog.
Got it.
Season it with salt. We're searing it. We're going to flip it.
Now when that's done,
We're putting it in boiling hot water, and we're going to cook it for 3 to 4 hours.
we'll let it cool down.
We'll break it down to a full heart. Yep.
Right.
Now we're going to make our perfect chili
Te vas a tener que usar el pink ese, el hot pink.
Steep them in the hot water.
No, el
We'll
otro.
blend this a little from the steam
Oh,
going.
glittery.
Now we're going to make our red
Which
chili.
Let me see. Dámelo.
Oil, onion, garlic,
Which one are we supposed to
chicken
mix?
bouillon, pepper, cayenne
He
pepper.
says it purple, no?
Now we're going to add our beef, red chili sauce.
How do you make
Oil,
the color red?
And then it's done.
All we need now is to get progress.
That's right. Flatten it out.
And then you're just gonna go and float it in that hot oil.
That's right.
Flip it.
So I'm going to build you our ultimate taco. Our beans, red chili, sour cream, onions, cheese, and lettuce.
Give me the colors that I told you to give me.
It is a meal for two.
There's no easy way to
Yeah.
do that.
Look at that. It's delicious. The fry bread itself is fantastic. I mean, I love the
It's
texture.
because red is a primary color, bro.
The
Yeah, and you
chili
can't
beef
mix
inside
it.
Is really
You
nice.
have to have
Great
red.
flavor of that.
Yeah. If not, you're
The
not
big
gonna
meat,
get red. So what color are you making?
You'll get really nice texture out of
No, we don't have red.
it. It's delicious.
Or
Ultimate taco
do you
for
have
table
red
two.
pizza?
There's a lot more to it than just your regular tortilla. We like the
Nothing
red
like
chili
that.
on it. That has a little
I
bit
think
of
we should use like orange for the
It
lava
just makes it.
It's messy,
The
it's sloppy,
magma.
it's really good. It's just
Instead
great
of
to
red.
do.
Now that's a pro
Oh,
bite.
you don't have to do the red.
So these are good friends of today. Note my outdoor kitchen that you've seen at Guy's Ranch Kitchen. They designed the kitchen, they designed